Hello everybody. Today we're gonna play some Roblox, and I do have a mic again. So I'm back online playing Minecraft, and let's see what I'm going to play. So let's see. If I was you, what should I play? What I have? Okay, let's play like a game. Ooh, okay, let's see. So I'll be showcasing in the ultimate battle, the ultimate battle inside this game. You're loading it. Get ready. We are now in. Okay. So, okay. Now I'll be showcasing Toxic Venom Sands and VHS. Basically, here they are. Venom Sands and I don't know how to say that. First, I'll be showcasing Venom Sands. He has a cool face. Here's what he can do. First off, I'm gonna battle someone. But I'm getting dying. Oh, dead. Dead. Get revenge. That's for me to get revenge. Get revenge, guys. Okay, here you go. Well, let me get revenge. Oh, forgot. Okay. I'm gonna Venom Slash. Okay, let's see. I'm dead. Okay, good. Never get me. Got him. Get him. Oh. No. Attack that. Oh, let's see. Okay, what have I done? Oh, dead. Okay, since we want for now, so we showcasted Venom Sands. Let's showcast VHS. Yeah, if you're wondering what I'm saying, it's like VHS. Here we go. What the heck? Okay. And look at this. Now, it's like this. VHS. That's how you say it. I'm already saying it. Okay, someone died. Someone's shooting me. Someone's invisible shooting me. Oh, never mind. What the heck? Huh? Oh, that's... I got spammed. I showcasted them all, but I'm gonna showcast one more character. I'm gonna showcase the characters right here. I have some of them, so I'm gonna showcase one more character. That's it. Okay. Die. I'm dead. Okay, I'm gonna end this off on this video. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.